Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your points balance tracking in Amex step by step clearly. To begin updating your points balance tracking in Amex, log in to your American Express account. Open your web browser and go to the American Express homepage. Enter your user ID and password in the login fields. Click the Login button. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Rewards section on the main menu. Locate the Points Balance option to view your current points. To update your points tracking, look for the Manage Your Points link. Click the link to access the Points Management interface. Here, you will see your current balance and any recent transactions. To add or redeem points, select the Add Points or Redeem Points options. If adding points, follow the prompts to enter any required information. For redeeming points, review the available redemption options displayed on the screen. Select the option that best suits your needs. Follow the prompts to confirm your redemption choice. Once completed, return to the Points Balance section to verify the updated balance. This will reflect any changes immediately. If encountering any discrepancies, check the transaction history for more details. Feel free to contact customer service for any unresolved issues regarding your points. Logging out of your account is the final step for security purposes. Now you know how to update your points balance tracking in Amex. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.